Suspect in murder and rape of 14-year-old girl in police custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The suspect in the brutal murder and rape of a 14-year-old girl, Price Johnson, is in police custody. He was reportedly taken into custody after he was found hiding at a relative's home in Kingston. Johnson was sexually assaulted and bludgeoned with a hammer at her home last week, Thursday. The incident occurred on the Palm Grove apartment complex on Spanish Town Road in St. Andrew. It's understood that her attacker, who is believed to be mentally challenged, forced his way into the apartment. He reportedly escaped on foot in the area. Johnson was taken to the hospital where she succumbed to her injuries. Subsequent to the attack, the St. Andrew South police named Amarni Lignot as a person of interest in Johnson's murder. On Sunday, the police confirmed that at around 3:50 p.m., Lignot was arrested on Crescent Road in Kingston 13. He was taken to the Hunts Bay police station pending further investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.